Uh-huh.
How's my baby look?
Well, when it's in the belly, it's easy. I mean, it's just sitting there.
Achoo! Why does my baby evilly rub his hands?
Why does your baby have a goatee?